Hi Fat Kids, this is Reshma Badi here and welcome back to my channel. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, let me tell you that I have had a massive transformation and I've been blogging on Instagram since quite a long time now. So I get a lot of queries related to my weight loss journey, so I decided that is the time I make a question and answer videos. So I'm going through my Instagram page and I've got a lot of queries that has asked about my loose skin. So now I've lost 45 kilos, and which is like a huge number. So if you had to lose about 15 to 20 kgs, it wouldn't have been such a huge problem for you about loose skin. First thing you need to do is do not go for rapid weight loss. If you go for rapid weight loss, you will be having a lot of excess skin, and hence go very gradual so that you do not have a lot of loose skin. So that was the first thing which I did. And now I do have a lot of loose skin, but it really does not bother me. For me, starting with my weight loss journey and coming till here was a big achievement, and that loose skin is like just a tiny bit part of it, and hence I really do not care about it. So I've got this question by a girl saying, I'm 120 kgs but I really want to lose weight, but I'm really scared about my loose skin. So I think the first thing that you need to consider is about losing weight, and then think about loose skin because there are a lot of operations that can be done. You can go to the doctor, seek medical advices, and do not buy those skin tightening creams or oils. They do not work at all. My sister asked me a question, when will your board get over? So whoever is giving 10th and 12th, I wish you all the best. And Senia, I hope your board continues like entire year and you suffer. The third question is, how many months did it take for me to lose weight? What keeps me motivated? And ऐसी कौन सी बात थी जिसकी वजह से मुझे लगा कि I need to lose weight? So the first answer is, it took me about 2 to 3 years because last year my journey was completely dull. I did not progress at all. I have wrote about this on my Instagram. You can go through my feed and get to know more about it. And my journey has been on and off because of personal issues and my education and also my injuries. Let us not forget about them. What keeps me motivated? I've already uploaded a video on it. I'll leave it in the description box down below. ऐसी कौन सी बात थी जिससे मुझे लगा कि मुझे weight loss करना चाहिए? So I was at the age of 21, 22, and people would say me, you look like I'm in 30s, or I would never get मेरे size के कपड़े, and people would tease me calling auntie and ugly, and the society pressure basically. तब लगा कि भाई अब बस हो गया, अब तो करना है, अब दंगल होगा. Next question, how to resist eating yummy food while waiting to click the pictures. So now if you see my feed again, I've got a lot of yummy food pictures which is all healthy and some cheat meals as well. So how to resist is train your mind. Even if आप मेरे सामने आप पिज़्ज़ा न्यूटेला ला के रख दोगे तो भी मुझे मन नहीं करेगा because my body is not craving for it. But the day it is, I will make sure I eat 1 kilo Nutella and the entire pizza all by myself. Can you please give an ideal diet for a girl of 80 kgs of 17 years and a woman of 80 kgs of 35 years? So now everybody is different and every body is different as well. So depending upon your lifestyle, there are a lot of factors involved, and hence nutritionists होते हैं. I'm not trying to promote anyone, but you need to seek some help or take some inspiration from my videos on how I balance my diet. But giving one diet to one individual is not possible by me. One personal question, whom am I dating? So one fact about me, I've never been into a serious relationship, no dating, so I'm single, and now I'll get married some year soon. Did you get any stretch marks after weight loss, and how did you treat that? So when you have rapid weight loss without proper nutrition, you are bound to get stretch marks. Or if you gain weight, your skin stretches, and that stretches gets you to the stretch marks. So I do have a lot of them. And to be very honest, I think they are tiger marks, and I really don't care about it because it's very natural. Every single person has it. Even if you see fitness models close up without edited pictures, they'll be having stretch marks. So you do not need to care. At the max you can do is apply some oil so that it fades. The way the scar fades, you can fade the stretch marks, but you cannot get rid of it. It's just part of human body. One important question, how to start? For that you need to have very strong mentality. Nobody's gonna push you. Even if you hire a trainer, at the max they'll do is count your reps for 1 hour. But बाकी के जो 23 घंटे है वो आपके पास है. So until you do not have that zid, that passion in you, you will never start it and you are bound to give up. So find why do you want to do it. For me, the answer was I really wanted this more than anything in the world. This transformation has changed my life completely. I've evolved physically, mentally, spiritually, and I've become more passionate about this and helping people. So you need to find out the answer of why do you want to do this, and the entire process will become easier. How to build stamina to continue your workout and not get tired. So now if you have good pre-workout meal, you will not get tired very easily. And if it is something that you really enjoy doing, you will not get tired and you would want to complete the entire session. But अगर आप ऐसे मर के बस करे जा रहे हो क्योंकि सिर्फ ट्रेनर बोल रहा है, आपसे नहीं होने वाला. So find something that you really enjoy doing, and that is how you'll keep on building up the stamina gradually. आज अगर आप 5 मिनट भाग सकते हो तो कुछ टाइम के बाद 10 मिनट भागोगे. सो इट्स अ ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस. डोंट फोर्स योर बॉडी. लाइक आप इतना जंक खाते हो और अचानक से उसको बॉडी को रोज सैलड देने लगे तो योर बॉडी इज गोना बाउंड बैक कि मुझे क्या हो रहा है. सो रादर take it very slow, don't be very harsh on your body and listen to your body. Next question is, I've been into fitness for 2 years and want to start my own YouTube channel and want some tips from me. So all you need to do is build up your camera confidence. I'm not so good at it, still improving, still learning, and the first step is to start. Like if you wait for everything to be all right and then start, it's not going to work because nothing is perfect ever. So just start if you want to. I really do not have any more tips to give. Next question is, do you watch your oil intake throughout the day? And if yes, how many spoons do you consume? Now fat is something that makes you feel full. If do not take oil, I like to take some other fat source like avocado or nuts or any other thing. So for me, it's if I take oil, it's about 2 spoons, and if nuts, it's a handful of nuts a day. Is having Americano, espresso, coffee hot helpful over iced Americano, or both are same? So now depending upon the temperature, I choose my coffee. If it's really hot, I go for iced Americano, and if it's really cold, I go for hot Americano. So it doesn't make a lot of difference. The next question is, do you have a sweet tooth? If yes, how do you overcome your craving for sweet stuff? And also, when I decide to cheat, what is your go-to sweet thing? I love this question. So yes, of course, I do have sweet tooth. I constantly crave for everything that's sweet, and the way I've overcome is making gradual changes and find substitute. If I want something sweet, I'll go for fruit rather than a chocolate. So that way my sweet cravings are reduced. And my go-to thing has to be my favorite Nutella milkshake, and I've already uploaded a video on it. I'll leave it in the description box down below so that you can check it out. Do I avoid dairy products? Now I do not avoid anything, but I limit the intake. I love cheese, माँ के हाथ की खीर and chai as well. But I make sure कि मैं ज़्यादा ना खाऊं. It's always in moderation. It's always in limitation. The next question is it necessary to have protein shake after a workout, or we can have it over a meal as well? So now, protein in liquid form after a workout absorbs well in your body rather than eating food. So for quick recovery, you need to have protein shake or any liquid form of protein rather than having whole food. Suggest some healthy low-calorie snack. Now I have a lot of it uploaded on my Instagram, so I would love if you can go and check it out. How do you have such pointed jawline? And please tell us some exercise. Okay, so now I had a lot of facial fat when I was fat, but now it's gradually going, and I do have few tips to share, and I'm making an entire video about getting that sharp jawline very soon. Another question is, a guy tells me that he has been worried about the consistency, and every time he gets into this fitness lifestyle, he just fears of falling. So the first thing you need to do is, again, find out the answer of why you want to do it. And I've already uploaded a motivational video. I'll be diverting you guys to that video so that you get the answer for all your consistency and staying motivated valid questions. Another question is, do you eat gluten, sugar, and do you eat junk food? Now with gluten, I get really bloated after eating gluten, so I generally avoid. But on my high carb days, I really love maa ke haath ka roti and sabzi, and hence I do eat gluten on and off. I haven't restricted it, but I don't eat it every single day. And do you eat junk food? Yes, every Saturday is my cheat day. How to break the weight loss plateau and how to stay motivated. I have realized and I've come to this conclusion that सबको motivation का problem आ रहा है. So I've already uploaded a video on it, and how to stay and how to break the weight loss plateau. You need to change your workout and your diet. So now if you've been consistently to that same diet and doing that same workout, changes नहीं दिखने वाले. So you need to change your workout and diet to break the weight loss plateau. Do you want to compete? No, I will never get on that stage. I never want to compete. I just take it as a lifestyle, and I just want to be inspiration for a lot of girls who are just trying to lose weight and change their mindset that not only celebrities lose weight, but common girls like us can do it as well. What is your ultimate transformation goal? I just want to be my best. How to put on the mindset for healthy lifestyle, because sometimes we give up easily after a month or two. Again, आपकी जिद पर depend करता है. I'm a very ziddy person. Like if I want something, I'll do anything to get there. So that zid is something that drives you to a really long extent, and that is something you need to find कि you know कितना जिद है आप में so that you can achieve your goal. Is it possible to reduce belly fat for C-section people? If so, how long it will take and how to do that? Again, it comes back to the answer, eat right and work out, and there is no target fat loss. अगर आप मुझे बोलो मुझे सिर्फ थाइस से कम करना है या आर्म से कम करना है या पेट से कम करना है, it's not going to happen. So it's overall body fat percentage. Look at it as improving yourself and constantly work towards it. Will the white rice be bad for belly? Now, white rice हम देखते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट जैसा. So I've said this already कि एक white rice का बाउल अगर आप लोगे तो that is if suppose that gives me 50 grams of carbohydrate, तो वहीं इतना बड़ा सैलड मुझे 50 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट देगा. सो फॉर मी टू हैव दैट फीलिंग ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ फूड, आई ईट सैलड ओवर राइस. सो यू नीड टू डू दैट एज वेल. अगर आप सिर्फ राइस इतना खा के पेट नहीं भरता तो ऑप्ट फॉर सैलड, बट एनीथिंग इन एक्सेस is gonna make you gain weight. How do you make your iced Americano? My iced Americano is famous over the internet. All you have to do is take some instant coffee, garam pani mein thoda sa dalo, add lot of ice and cold water to it, and your iced Americano is ready. How many hours of workout one need to do and effective result कब आएगा? So I suggest कि if you have a long way to go, 1 घंटा वेट ट्रेनिंग कर लो एंड सुबह या फिर शाम को डू कार्डियो एज वेल. सो दैट बी फॉर हाफ एन आवर. सो डू नॉट गो एट अ स्ट्रेच फॉर 1.5 or 2 hours of workout. Break your workout twice a day. The next question is, how do you find motivation to eat clean, and what's your favorite recipe, and love your YouTube channel. Thank you. So the motivation to eat clean, I put myself into the aftermath situation. So if you keep a pizza in front of me and a salad, so I know how I feel after eating a pizza, the feeling of guilt, and I really don't want that. I want to feel clean, I want to feel fresh, and hence I opt for salad. So put yourself into the aftermath situation when you're craving for something. And talking about my favorite recipes, I really love my yogurt tahini dressing salad and my pesto dressing salad. I wanted to ask you that how much weight a beginner should lift, and for girls, does lifting weight makes you look huge and bulky? So depending upon your capacity, lift weights, it can be from 1 pound to 2 pound or 10 pound or 100 pound for that matter. So depending upon your capacity, lift weight, do not compare yourself with somebody else and lift weight. So that's your first answer, and then the second is, does lifting weights? So it's a myth that will make you look bulky. We do not have the hormones what a male has. So we'll be toned and in shape, but you'll never look bulky. So I tried answering all the frequently asked questions. If you guys have any other questions apart from these, leave in the comment down below and I'd love to reply to them. And if any video requests, leave them in the comment down below again, and I would love to do it. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media network. It supports me a lot, and I'll see you next time. Bye.